Dear HNDT Agriculture second year students, you are welcome to second year first term for the subject of AG 2102 Export Agricultural Crops and Medicinal Plant Production. I am HMNM Vatakotu Kumara, Senior Lecturer in Agriculture from Hardy Advanced Technological Institute, Ampara. I am going to conduct the first lecture, Introduction to Export Agricultural Crops. Under this subject, you have to learn coffee, cocoa, pepper, nutmeg, cardamom, cloves, citronella, lemongrass, vanilla, betel, cinnamon and areca. If you are considering export agricultural crops, actually it has high potential to grow in Sri Lanka in different places, mainly in upcountry. But farmers are paying more attention to cereal crops, mainly paddy, maize and legume crops like that. Then actually farmers are not paying more attention to export agricultural crops. One reason is these are not seasonal crops. These are perennial crops. Then we have to wait to get the yield about half of the year or 1 year, like that we have to wait. One thing is that. Other thing is these are not considered as main food crop. Actually main food crop are the paddy, vegetables, fruits like that. Then other reason is farmers are not paying more attention as plantations. Actually these are not developed as plantations. Then these are minor export agricultural crops. Therefore, they are not paying more attention. But the thing is, actually we need these crops as spices. Then we can import these crops and we can earn more money and we can increase the GDP like that. Then here you can see the pepper yield. Average yield is 0.41 tons per hectare. Actually, this is the farmer's yield. But under the good management practices, it is about 1.5 tons per hectare. Then you can see here, then average yield, and this is the potential yield. Then there is a big gap between average yield and potential yield. Why this big gap? Due to lack of applying good management practices. Then what is our duty? Actually, it is to give in these good management practices, knowledge of good management practices to the farmers to reduce this gap between average yield and potential yield. Actually, we can earn more money by growing this crop. You can see it like this. Then these are the market information of export agricultural crop. Then pepper. Then 534 rupees per kilogram. Then cloves 830 rupees per kilogram, like that. Cardamom 13,000 rupees per kilogram. Cinnamon 3,005 rupees per kilogram, like that. We can earn more money if we are paying more attention on growing of export agricultural crops. Actually, development strategies and subsidies are given by the Department of Export Agriculture. Actually, it is come under the Ministry of Minor Export Crops Promotion. Actually, they are doing a lot of research and development programs. Under this, they consider about the productivity, production and quality improvements of group of perennial and export agricultural crops grown in Sri Lanka. And also they have major functions. Under that you can understand what they are doing. Actually, they are doing a lot of cultivation and processing programs. They are providing a lot of inputs and services, and also they are undertaking and conducting agronomic, post-harvest economic and market researchers, and they organize to provide quality planting materials, and they have a lot of assistance schemes, and also they have a lot of training programs, and also they are conducting a lot of crop protection activities, and also they have promotion programs about the usage of fertilizer, and also then marketing arrangement, and they are disseminating the knowledge about export agricultural crops, and they are conducting the demonstration and trials, and also they are doing experiments to develop the new crops which has high export potential. Likewise, they are doing a lot of functions to develop this export agriculture sector in Sri Lanka. Actually, there is a development division in the Department of Export Agriculture Crops. They play significant roles, and they provide technical advice and guidance to stakeholders, and they produce and distribute the planting materials, and also they are giving the financial assistance, and also new planting program and replanting programs, and also post-harvest assistance and quality improvement programs also. And also there are 14 major growing districts that are undertaken the development activities. Then those 14 major growing districts are here, you can see. And also here at the district level, those programs are implemented by extension officers of Export Agricultural Crop Division, and also they are supervised by the district assistant directors. Then you can see then the research division, major research division in Matale, and there are subdivisions in Matara district and Kurunegala district, and also other districts. Then they are providing certified planting materials of nutmeg, clove, cardamom, cocoa, cinnamon, pepper, coffee, and citronella at free of charge. And also they are providing technical advice and training program for the cultivation and crop management. Then these are the research stations. There are some research stations on tissue culture and plant propagation and organic farming, and multidisciplinary research mainly on cocoa, ginger, and turmeric, like that. Then actually during the first lecture we are giving only introduction part. Then the assignment, you need to find the possibilities of crop diversification with export agricultural crops in marginal tea and rubber lands, intercropping with coconut and other crops, and marketing of export agricultural crop products. Actually, you all know crop diversification means this mainly cocoa like export agricultural crop. We can grow in marginal tea and rubber lands, and we can intercrop with coconut and rubber lands, like that. There are high possibilities of growing them with other crops. And also you can find the details of marketing of export agricultural crop products. Under this you can give the marketing information. Then you can provide the grades and what are the prices for the grades, and market price fluctuations, like that. You can produce this assignment by using census and statistic details. Then thank you very much. If you have any doubts and any clarification, you can contact me. Thank you very much.